You see a question like this, where you have two things being squared with a minus sign in the middle, the pattern that should light up in your brain is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. In this scenario, our a is simply x plus 1 over x, and our b is x minus 1 over x. And now we're going to simply rewrite this equation as a plus b times a minus b. So here we go. X plus 1 over x plus x minus 1 over x. That is our a plus b. This will be multiplied with a minus b. So x plus 1 over x minus x minus 1 over x. In the next step, we're going to try to simplify this by opening the brackets. Now, if there is nothing in front of the brackets, we're going to assume that there is a 1 in front of this bracket and there is a 1 in front of this bracket. And we're going to do distributive property. So 1 times x is just x, and similarly 1 over x plus x, and this time it's going to be minus 1 over x because it's 1 times negative 1 over x. Similarly, here we're going to assume it's a 1, and here we're going to assume it's a negative 1. And again, we're going to do distributive property. So 1 times x is x, 1 times 1 over x is 1 over x. And when we have a negative 1, here the signs will flip. So negative 1 times x is minus x, and negative 1 times negative 1 over x is plus 1 over x. Now we're going to simplify what's inside the bracket. So we can see that plus 1 over x will cancel out with minus 1 over x. We'll be left with x plus x, which is 2x in the first bracket. In the second bracket, this time the x's will cancel out. So this x will cancel out with minus x. We'll be left with 1 over x plus 1 over x, which is simply 2 over x. And when we multiply this, the beauty here is that the x's will simply cancel out and we'll have 2 times 2, which is 4.